Hey friends, welcome back to Learn Transformation. As in a previous video, we talked about Supply Chain 4.0, digital supply chain, benefit of digital supply chain and digital waste. So this video is in continuation with the previous video and you can find the link of our previous video in the description box below. So today we will learn about two things. First, how to increase operational efficiency by using Supply Chain 4.0. For this, we will see McKinsey Digital Supply Chain Compass. Second, what is the impact of Supply Chain 4.0? And for this, we will discuss 3 performance indicators of digital supply chain. So let's get started. Digital supply chain is a result of application of electronic technologies to every aspect of end-to-end supply chain. So what does transformation into a digital supply chain requires? It requires 2 key enablers. One is capabilities and second is environment. Capabilities regarding digitization need to be developed in the organization, and how you can develop the capability. The answer is by recruiting specialist profiles. Second key requirement is implementation of two-speed architecture, which means that even if the organization and IT landscape are established, still an innovative environment with a startup culture has to be created. This incubator needs to provide a high degree of organizational freedom and flexibility, as well as the state-of-art IT systems to enable rapid cycle of development, testing and implementation of solutions. The incubator is the seed of Supply Chain 4.0 in the organization, which make it fast, flexible and efficient. Now let's explore McKinsey Digital Supply Chain Compass, structuring the main Supply Chain 4.0 improvement levers and map them to 6 main value drivers. In the end, the improvement enable a step change in service, cost, capital and agility. The first improvement lever to value driver is planning. The future supply chain planning will largely benefit from big data, advanced analytics and also from the automation of knowledge work. 2 example levers with significant impact are predictive analytics in demand planning and closed loop planning. Now let's discuss what predictive analytics in demand planning. Predictive analytics in demand planning analyze a lot of internal as well as external demand influencing variables with Bayesian network to uncover the complex relationships and derive an accurate and granular demand plan. All these new technologies help in improvement of demand forecast accuracy and often reduces the forecasting error by 30 to 50%. Gone are the days of single truth regarding the forecasting numbers, and now these advanced algorithms provide probability distributions of expected demand volume rather than a single forecast number. This allows for targeted discussions regarding potential risk and advanced inventory management approaches. Second improvement lever to value driver is physical flow. Logistics will take a huge step change through better connectivity, additive manufacturing and advanced automation. For instance, as warehouses are being automated, we'll see a notable increasing amount of autonomous and smart vehicles, and 3D printing changes warehousing and inventory management strategies. Autonomous and smart vehicles will lead to operating cost reduction in transportation and also provide benefits regarding lead times and lower environmental costs. Third improvement lever to value driver is performance management. Performance management is changing tremendously. As in the past, the generation of KPI dashboards was a big task and KPIs were only available at the aggregated levels at that time. But now granular data is available in real time, which moves the performance management process from a regular to an operational process which aims at exception handling and continuous improvement. For instance, planners can be pointed to critical supply chain disruptions which are further supported by automatic handling of minor exceptions. Automated root cause analysis are the one approach for exception handling, and performance management system is able to identify the root cause. Next improvement lever to value driver is order management. 2 big examples of how order management is improved are no-touch order processing and real-time replanning, which leads to lower cost through automation of efforts, higher reliability due to granular feedback, and superior customer experience through immediate and reliable responses. No-touch order processing is the logical next step after implementing a reliable available-to-promise process. Now the ordering process can be fully automated by the integration of ordering systems linking to ATP and through an enrichment with order rules. The goal is to have a complete no-touch process where no manual intervention is required between order intake and order confirmation. Next improvement lever to value driver is collaboration. The supply chain cloud forms the next level of collaboration in the supply chain. But what are the supply chain clouds? These are joint supply chain platforms between customers, company and the suppliers, providing either a shared logistic infrastructure or even joint planning solution, which helps in saving admin costs and also leverage best practices and learn from each other. Another major field within collaboration is end-to-end connectivity. Some companies have already started collaborating throughout the entire value chain. For example, from the cow farmer to finished leather seat in the car, and some companies still need to close this gap. So the collaboration along the value chain allows for overall much lower inventories through an exchange of reliable planning data and ability to react fast to disruptions anywhere. I hope now you have an idea about how to increase operational efficiency by using Supply Chain 4.0. Next, let's discuss the impact of Supply Chain 4.0. Eliminating today's digital waste. Digital waste, we have talked about this in a previous video, so please check the link for that video in a description box below. So by eliminating today's digital waste and adopting new technologies is a major level to increase the operational effectiveness of supply chains. The potential impact of supply chain in the next 2 to 3 years is huge. We can see up to 30% lower operational costs and reduction of 75% in the lost sales, and also decreasing inventories by up to 75%. And how did we calculate these numbers? There are 3 performance indicators which are highly correlated. For example, an improved inventory profile will lead to improved service level and lower cost. But before moving forward, please do like, comment and share our video, and please do tell us in the comment section what do you like the most about our video, and subscribe our channel Learn Transformation to stay updated regarding Lean, Digital, Six Sigma, Supply Chain and Leadership. So first performance indicator is supply chain service or lost sales. Low customer service is either driven by wrong promise to the customer or a wrong inventory profile or an unreliable delivery of parts. Lost sales in addition occur if the required products are not available on the shelf and customers will decide to switch to another brand. This is true for both business to customer and business to business environment. Next performance indicator is supply chain cost. Driven by transportation, warehouse and the setup of overall network, the cost can be reduced by up to 30%, and roughly 50% of this improvement can be reached by applying advanced methods to calculate the clean sheet cost of transport and warehousing and by optimizing the network. And the goal should always be to have minimal touch points and minimal kilometers driven, still meeting the required service level of the customer. Next performance indicator is supply chain planning. The planning tasks such as demand planning, aggregated production planning and supply planning are often time intensive and conducted mainly manually. But with advanced system support, 80 to 90% of all planning tasks can be automated and still make sure better quality compared to tasks conducted manually. Next up is inventory. Inventory is used to decouple demand and supply and to buffer variability in demand and supply. By implementing new planning algorithms, the uncertainty will be reduced significantly. The other important variable to drive inventory is the replenishment lead time. With more production of lot size 1 and fast changeover, the lead time will be reduced significantly. In addition, 3D printing will reduce the required inventory. And with this, we believe an overall inventory reduction of 75%. So we saw how by applying Supply Chain 4.0 levers, huge potential can be unlocked in all supply chain categories. So, a supply chain digital transformation is about establishing a vision for how digital application can improve service, cost, agility and inventory levels, and consistently implementing process and organizational changes that use these levers to drive operational excellence. Thanks to McKinsey again, as in this video we shared you the McKinsey insight about digital supply chain. So this was all about improvement levers and key performance indicators of digital supply chain. Please subscribe our channel Learn Transformation and press the bell icon right next to it to stay updated regarding a new videos on lean, digital, Six Sigma, supply chain and leadership. And you can also catch us on other social media handles like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest. Till then, be safe and do take care of yourself.